Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using this service. Today, we're taking a look at XOX.com.my and their eSIM offerings. Navigating their website, I'll guide you through the process of acquiring an eSIM from this provider, highlighting some of the key aspects and potential challenges you might encounter. When exploring different eSIM options, it's essential to consider factors such as data allowances, validity periods, and of course, the overall cost. We'll delve into these details specifically in relation to XOX.com.my, providing a clear picture of what you can expect. From my own experience, I'll share some insights and tips that I've picked up along the way, hopefully making your decision-making process a little easier. This walkthrough aims to equip you with the knowledge necessary to determine whether XOX.com.my's eSIM solution is the right fit for your needs. We'll examine the various plans available, looking at the fine print and breaking down the advantages and disadvantages of each. Furthermore, I'll explore the user interface of their website and the overall customer experience, from the initial purchase to activation and ongoing management of the eSIM. This review isn't just about the technical aspects, we'll also touch on customer support and the responsiveness of XOX.com.my should you encounter any issues. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler searching for a reliable data connection abroad, or simply curious about eSIM technology and its potential benefits, this video is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of XOX.com.my's eSIM service. Stick around until the end for a complete overview and a summary of my key takeaways.